You thought AI was here to replace jobs, but it's doing something far greater and far more dangerous. It's replacing dreams. Once we dreamed of flying, of creating, of becoming more human. Now we dream of not being replaced by the things we built. The artist fears the algorithm. The writer competes with a machine that never sleeps. And the dreamers? They're falling silent. Every invention is a mirror, and this time, we built one that reflects our best and our worst. A mirror that learns faster than its maker, that imagines before we do, that dreams without sleeping. But don't mistake this as the end. It's a reminder. The machine can think. It can even dream. But only you can give those dreams meaning. Hold on to that before the code starts writing your destiny.